Okay, good day everyone. This is Alex here. So today I'll cover a topic called field handler. This is when you want to type a series of data. So for example, if you want to type 1 to 10, for example. But by default, when you key in just one data, Excel doesn't recognize it's a series. Doesn't matter. After you drag, you see this small little icon here. You can choose field series. So it will give you the series in terms of numbers. But it's different scenario when you have month or weekday. For example, in January, in this column K, you have January. So when you drag, it automatically gives you February, March, April, May. And for weekday, it automatically gives you the following weekday's name. Because in Excel, there's this custom list. They can recognize the months and days. What if you do not want it? Let's say, for example, you just want the repeat of January. So the same function you can use after you drag. Just click the little icon here, copy cell. So you will repeat the January. Same for the days. Click here, select, copy cell. If you just want to copy cells. And if you want to have the days without weekend, you can click here, few weekdays only. So it will only have Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday. So this is a quick use of field handler. Thanks for watching.